Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Target SBI. Target SBI is just my YouTube channel name, but we are targeting all the bank exams. Now we are going to see simplifications. First question. Unit digits are 1. So 7 2 times is 14. Sum of these two, 7 and 2 will be 9. And unit digit 1. This is the value for this one. Plus here it is 63 and 126. Right? 3, 2. This is 3 and 1. This is the value for this one. Okay, plus 17 into 5 divided by 34. 17 two times, so we get 5 by 2, which is nothing but 2.5 equals to x by 2. Okay, next sum of these are 1491 plus 1323, which will be 4 11 8 2814 plus 2.5, so 6.5 into 2. So x value will be 2816.5. This will be 12 13 3 6 and 5. So answer will be 5633. Option C is our answer. Next, second question. 8 into 11. 8 11 times is 88 and minus 150 plus 30% of 650 means 65 into 3. 3 5 8 times is 15. 3 6 times 18 19 equals to 19x. 150 subtracting from 195 we get 45. 88 plus 45 will be 13 and 13 equals to 19x. 19 7 times will be 133. So answer will be option B. Next, here 6 times 36, 6 7 times 42, 7 15 times will be 105. So this total value will be 1 plus this is 3/4 of 4800 equals to x square plus 1 41200. This will be 3600 and this one and this one cancels. We left with 3600 equals to x square. So x value will be 60. So answer will be option C 60. Next, here divided by 14. So 28 into 28 divided by 14 plus 14 into 14 divided by 14. Okay, 14 two times. This will be 56 and this will be 14. We get a 70 plus x equals to, this is 16 square, which will be 256. So x value will be 256 minus 70, 6 and 18. 186 is our answer, option B. Next question. Here 16 two times and 8 two times. This 2 and this 2 cancel. We get a 128. 128 is nothing but 2 power 7. So 2 power question mark plus 5. Bases are equal. So 7 equals to question mark plus 5. So question mark value will be 2. Option A is our answer. Now we are going to see quadratic equations. 3 8 times will be 24. We need to get 10. 6 4 times is the 24 and we get the 10. Roots are negative. Here this will be 18. 18 means 6 3 times. Plus and minus. To make the base equal, we multiply this with 2, this with 3. So we get minus 9 plus 18. This will be minus 8 and minus 12. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than y and x is lesser than y. No relation can be established between these two equations. Okay, next one. Here 24 means 6 4 times is 24 and the roots are in negative. Here 20 means 5 4 times and plus and minus. Okay, By comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than or equals to y. Next one, plus and plus and minus plus. Here the roots are in negative, here the roots are in positive. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than y. Okay, next one, this will be 90. 90 means 10 9 times. These roots are in positive. Here 4 into 24, 96. 96 means 12. 8 times is 96 and roots are in positive. To make the base equal, we multiply this with 2. We get 18 and 20. Here plus 12 and plus 8. By comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than y. Okay, last one, 48. We need to get 48. 8 6 times is 48 and the roots are in positive. Here 48, we need to get 8. 12 4 times is 48, plus minus and plus are the roots. So by comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than y. Now we are going to see wrong number series. Here the difference between these numbers are slightly varying, and here it is into 2 times, and this is 73. 3 becomes 8 means 6 times. 6 3 times is 18. 6 7 times is 42 plus 1 43 438. So 2 and 6, so it must be 3 4 5 and 6. 68 plus 5 will be 73. 15 becomes 68. 14 plus 3, which will be 17. 17 4 times will be 68. So wrong number is 15. Next, second question. Here the numbers are slightly varying, so we'll go with the differences. Here the difference is 25. Here the difference is minus 32. Here the difference is plus 45. Here the difference is minus 64. Here the difference is plus 81. It is 9 square, 8 square. This is 5 square. So it must be 6 square and 7 square. So these are wrong numbers. So our wrong number will be 25. Okay, next, third question. Here these numbers are slightly varying, so we'll go with the differences. Here the difference is 115. Here the difference will be 9 0 and 1. Here the difference is 6 0 1. Here the difference is 001. Okay, 100. Here the difference is 5 and 95. This is 5 multiple. This is 5 multiple and this is 5 multiple. Let's take this as 110 and this as 105. Let's check that. 211 plus 110, which will be 321. 321 plus 105 will be 426. So our wrong number will be 320. Next, fourth question. Here this is into, seems it is into, but not clarity. 36 becomes 108, which will be into 3 times. 72 becomes 2 times. Okay, so it must be into 2.5 times. 144 into 2 times will be 288, and half of 144 will be 72. 16 360. So into 2.5 times. So it must be into 3.5 times, and this must be into 1.5 times. 48 into 1.5 means 48 and 24, which will be 2 6 and 72. We got the same. Here 1080 into 3 times will be 243240, and half of 1080, which will be 540. We get 8073. So there is no wrong number in this series. All are true. No wrong number in this series. Next, these numbers are slightly varying. Here the difference is 121 plus 121. Here the difference is minus 4 4 and 1. Okay, squares. These are squares. Here the difference is 3 6 and 1. Here the difference is 0, 9 and 1 minus. Okay, here the difference is 5, 2, 2. So it is 15 square, this is 11 square, this is 12 square. So it must be 13 square and it must be 14 square. These two numbers are wrong, so our wrong number would be 765. Now we are going to see missing number series. First, these numbers are slightly varying, so we'll go with the differences. Here the difference is 9 to 5, 529. Okay, I know this number as square, 23 square. Here the difference between these two is 1, 6 and 3. So 361, which is 19 square. These are prime numbers. Let's see next one. This is the difference between these two is 9, 8 and 2, which is 17 square. So prime number square, the next square must be 13 square, 169, 1212 plus 169, which will be 1831. This is the answer. Option E is our answer. Next, second question. Here these numbers are slightly varying. Let's see the difference between these. This is 90. Here the difference is 45. Half of this one. Let's see half of 45. 22.5. 187 plus 22.5 will be 0.5902. 209.5 plus half of this one, 11.25. This will be 209 plus 11 will be 220 plus 75. So 209.5 is our answer. Option B is our answer. Next, third one. Here it is into 8 times. This is 4 becomes 8 means into 7 times. So it must be into 6 times. It must be into 5 times. So in this direction into 5 means in this direction it will be divided by 5. So divided by 5 means 5 1 times 0, 5 0 8 times. So answer will be 1008. Option A. Next, fourth question. Here the difference between these two is 1000. Here the difference between these two is 5, 2 and 2. Here the difference between these two is 8000. So it is 20 cube. This is 10 cube. This is 15 square. So this must be 5 square, which will be 25. The difference between these two is 25 means the number will be 3 and 9. 93 plus 25 will be 118. So answer will be option B, 93. Next, fifth question. These numbers are slightly varying, so we'll go with references. Here the difference is 92. Here the difference is 511. Okay, 92 and 115 are nothing but 23 4 times and 23 5 times. Let's see, 23 6 times. 6 3 times 18 and 6 2 times 12 13. 23 7 times, 7 2 times 7 3 times 21 and 7 2 times 14 and 16 161. So 454 plus 138, which will be 6 1 and 3 minus. Okay, 316. 454 minus 138 will be 316. 316 minus 161 will be 155. So answer will be 316. Option B is our answer. Now we are going to see inequalities. First question, the flow from Q to N. Here from Q we can reach to E, from E we can reach to N. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from M to H. The flow from M to H means from M we can reach to E, from E we can reach to H. So second conclusion is also true. Now question 2, the flow from Q to P. Here from Q there is no flow. So first conclusion will be false. In second conclusion, the flow from P to Q with everywhere equal to also. From P we can reach up to J, from J we can reach to Q with everywhere equal to also. So second conclusion will be true. Next, third question, the flow from D to O. From D we can reach to W, from W we can reach to O. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, Z to U, the flow from Z to U. From Z we can reach to W. From W we can reach to U. So second conclusion is also true. Next, fourth question. The flow from R to W. From R we can reach to P. From P we can reach to W. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from N to K with everywhere equal to also. The flow from N to K. From N we can reach up to W, but none of the other to reach K. So second conclusion will be false. Last question. The flow from V to T. From V we can reach to Z, and from Z we can reach to Y, but not to T. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from T to U. From T we can reach to W. From W we can reach to Z. From Z we can reach to Y. From Y we cannot able to go to U. So second conclusion will be false. Now we are going to see syllogisms. Syllogisms, first question. All peacock is sparrow. All peacock is sparrow. No sparrow is hen. No hen is crow. Let's see conclusion. Some crow is peacock. Crow and peacock, direct conclusion. There is no direct relation between these two. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion. No peacock is crow. This is peacock and this is crow. We check some case. Some peacock can be crow. Some case is possible. Some case possible means no case is fails. So second one is false. Okay, let's see second question. Second question. No maths is reasoning. Some English is reasoning. Some English is reasoning. Only a few reasoning is computer. Conclusions. Some English is not maths. We'll check all English can be maths. All English can be placed inside maths. No, all case fails means some not case will be true. Next, no maths is computer. We'll check some math can be computer. Some math can be shared with the computer. S can be shared. So some case possible means no case fails. Third question. Only orange is apple. Apple placed inside orange, and orange apple doesn't share with anything except orange. Some orange is grapes. No pineapple is orange. This is pineapple. Let's see conclusion. All pineapple is grape is a possibility. All pineapple inside grape, is it possible? Yes, it is possible. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, all grapes is apple is a possibility. Apple doesn't share with anything, so this case fails. Let's see fourth question. Fourth question, only a few Pune is Bangalore. No indoor is Jaipur. All Bangalore is indoor. All Bangalore is indoor. No indoor is Jaipur. Conclusion 1. All Jaipur is Pune possibility. All Jaipur inside Pune, it is possible. So first one is true. Second conclusion, all Pune is indoor. All Pune can be placed inside indoor, as it is possible. Both 1 and 2 are true here. Last question. Let's see. All potato is tomato. Some tomato is brinjal. Some potato is peas. Let's see conclusion. Some brinjal is peas. Direct conclusion. Brinjal and peas, there is no direct relation between these two. So first conclusion will be false. Some tomato is peas is a possibility. Tomatoes and peas sharing some part already, and it is saying is possibility. So it is already true and it is saying possibility. So second conclusion is also false. Now we are going to see a reasoning puzzle which was asked in a previous year RRB PO prelims. Let's see what is given. 5 persons are living on different floors of a 5-story building, but not necessarily in the same order. Bottommost floor is 1 and the topmost floor will be 5. And okay, they like 5 different flavors also. So The floors are 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Each person and flowers like this. Next, we note the rough statements in the side. R lives above Q. R lives above Q. Rose was liked by the one who is immediately below the one who likes Lily. Immediately will be the Rose. These two are immediate persons. P lives on the first floor. P lives on the first floor. Okay. One of the person like Lotus. Okay. T does not lie on the prime number floors. This is prime number, this is prime number, and this is prime number. So this is the place for T. Okay. More than one person lives below the one who likes Rose. So below Rose, more than one person means either 2 or 3. Lily, Rose, 1, 2, 3. In this case, might be 1 on the top. Here it is 5 people. Okay, let's see what is given. S lives just below the one who likes Rose. So immediate below Rose will be S. Okay. Q does not like Lily but lives above S. Lives above S will be Q but does not like Lily. So the place for Q must be Rose or on the top. There are two possibilities for Q. But Q above will be R. So this is the place for Q. So let's take okay, let's note the remaining. The one who likes Jasmine. Jasmine lives immediately below the one who likes Daffodil. Daffodil immediately below. These two are immediate persons. So let's take Lily and Rose. If it is a place for Q, which is Rose, this must be the place for Lily. Okay. These two are on the adjacent. Daffodil and Jasmine are adjacent persons. Rose immediately below one is S. Q above is R. And the flower is lotus. There is no clash in between in our puzzle. So this is the solution for our puzzle. Let's see the questions. How many floors are there between R and T? R and T, there is no floors in between them. Okay, which of the following option is correct according to Q? According to Q. Okay. Q lives on third floor and likes Rose. Third floor and likes Rose. Option C is our answer. Next, third question. Which of the following statement is true? T lives on odd number floor. T lives on even number here. No. B. Q lives on an even number floor. Q lives on odd number. So this is also false. S lives on fifth floor. No. P lives on odd number floor. Yes. So option D is our answer. Next, how many floors are above the one who likes daffodil? Above daffodil, 1, 2, 3. 3 floors will be there in the above for daffodil. Thanks for watching.